Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jayma Corey, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit that button. So today I'm going to show you a tutorial, like it's an everyday makeup tutorial. It's not every day that you do those heavy makeup looks. Sometimes just do that. Like you should have a tutorial, like a kind of everyday tutorial. So let's start it. So I'll start by eyebrows. Usually before doing any makeup, I'll advise usually just start with your eyebrows, like start with the eyebrows. If you're doing the eyeshadow, at least start there, so that if you miss anything, just wipe and start. It will be so easy for you. So let's start with the eyebrows. So I start by combing my eyebrows. I'm using a spoolie. And as usual, I'm using the Davis number 3 eye pencil. I'm not going into detail in the eyebrows, so I'll just do it fast. If you want to watch this video, like if you want to watch a tutorial on how to make your eyebrows pop up, watch this video here. I'm underlining my eyebrows using an LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And today I'm using the same shade Fawn to do the up brows. Sometimes I just find, these eyebrows don't want to relate, huh? They don't want to marry each other. So once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to conceal my eyelids, and I'm using a Maybelline Edge Eraser to conceal my eyelids. Look, there are those days that you just do makeup and your eyebrows are like, you know what, today we're not poking. So after concealing my eyelids, I'm setting them using my banana loose powder. So next I'm going to line my eyelids, and I'm using a Huda liquid eyeliner. So I'm just doing the mascara. As I wait for the glue on my false lashes to be tacky. So I'll press I press the falsie and my natural lashes once the glue was dried already. So for now, let's proceed to the foundation. But before that, I'm using new Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. It's from Maybelline. For this primer, like it's not for the oily, it just blurs the pores. So you apply where you tend to have a lot of pores on your face. And for my foundation, I'm using a Black Pearl Even True. I'm using my beauty sponge, and usually I don't dump my beauty sponge in water. I prefer spraying my setting spray on it. Like it just makes the foundation to settle on my skin so well. Try this if you have a very oily skin, and let me know how the outcome was in the comment section. And please, if you're using beauty sponge, even if it's a brush for your makeup, at least clean them once in a week. You know, if you use the product like continuously without cleaning, like the products usually, you know, as it combines themselves and makes your face to break out. The secret of a flawless makeup look is just blend everything in perfectly. Blend, 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 blend. Actually, I'm just doing all this because I want all the foundation to just be absorbed well in the skin. Like anytime you're doing any kind of makeup, like don't rush it. Give it time so that the foundation to be well absorbed in the skin. So next I'm going to my under eye concealer, and for this I'm using my Maybelline Instant Edge Eraser. This is that everyday kind of makeup, you know, that makeup you're in a rush, dropping something, going for a meeting, going for work. You'll do this kind of makeup. Then next I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer number 30. I'm using the same blender that I use for my foundation to blend it in, but before that I'm giving it some seconds just to get in well. So we blend it in. So next I'm going to my setting powder. I'm using a banana setting powder. I don't usually blow the excess product on my setting powder, either blend or brush, because I have a very oily skin. But if you have a normal skin, like, just blow off the excess product. And I usually do it like all over my face. I don't just set where I've concealed. If you have an oily skin, just try this, like placing the setting powder all over your face. I do it also on my brows. Then next, I'm going to my Fit Me Matte Polish Powder in the shade Toffee. So I'm just pressing it all over my skin. Okay, just give that flawless look. Huh? Always let me know in the comment section if you've ever used any of the tutorial I've given you and it worked so well on you. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, do so. So I'll just comb my eyebrows to remove the excess setting powder. So next I'm going to my under eye, and for that I'm using a Sleek eyeshadow palette number 570, and I'm going for the white shade. This one I'm just doing it in my under eye, like I want my eyes to kind of pop out well. So I take the white shade. And I'll take my Colossal mascara and just brush it on my under eyelashes. And just brush the excess product. Still on my eyes, I'm taking a shiny eyeshadow palette. It looks like goldish, and just do it like I still want my eyes to pop, so I just press it here. And next I'm going to my lipstick. I moisturize my lips with Vaseline. It's so important, like before doing any makeup, just moisturize your lips. And I'm using Nova number 46. And I just outline my lips again using a concealer to remove the, you see that excess lipstick that has gone outside my lips. And I set all this in using my City Color Oil Control Matte Setting Spray. I give it some time, like some seconds, just to dry in.
Moments later.
And there you are, as simple as that. You're done. Like this is a kind of makeup you'll do it daily, like you run your errands. And you're good to go, as simple as that and as fast as that. You know, in that daily routine, you don't have to do the concealers, you know, the heavy look makeup. Not just that, and simple, you're done. How's that? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.